The Owen James Report is brought to you by
This program is brought to you by the Grace Kennedy Group. We choose to care. Grace Kennedy Money Services has been here for you and your family, here and abroad, because we understand that you're receiving more than money. You're receiving their love. Grace Kennedy Financial Group has been here for you because we know it's more than just investments, insurance, or banking. It's about security and creating a path to realizing your dreams. For 90 years, honesty, integrity, and trust. The Grace Kennedy Group, we choose to care.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Over 1,300 Jamaicans through Sagicor X-Fund now own a piece of the company's 3 hotels under the Jewel brand, and the president of Sagicor Life Jamaica, Richard Byles, says it's the company's quest to grow that number. Byles was speaking at Saturday's launch of Jewel Paradise Cove Beach Resort and Spa in St. Ann.
In Jamaica, where tourism is so very important to our economy, more Jamaicans should be invested in this industry in one way or another. Not just working for it, but owning it also.
The Jewel brand now owns 3 properties in Jamaica. Sagicor has spent over $50 million in Jamaica's real economy over the past 18 months, and indications are that the company plans to shore up its current holdings of 750 resort rooms. News on the foreign exchange market now, and despite what the central bank described as systems problems, it was able to disseminate the foreign exchange results, albeit later than usual. Here are the numbers. Well, the benchmark American dollar strengthened by 2 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $105.98. However, both the Canadian dollar and the British pound weakened against the local currency. The Canadian dollar lost 17 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $99.57, whilst sterling weakened by 36 cents Jamaican to close at $173.89. The American dollar peaked as high as $108 Jamaican selling. News on the Jamaican stock market now, and stock prices rebounded today, sending up the indices by over 1%. The main JC index advanced by 817 points. Scotia Group accounted for over 45% of the 2.4 million shares traded. 29 stocks traded, with 16 advancing, 4 declining, and 9 holding firm. The winners included Barita Investments, the day's big winner, up 15%, Caribbean Cement, Grace Kennedy, JMMB, the 3 Lasco companies, Sagicor X-Fund, and Scotia Investments. The losers included Carreras, DNG, and NCB. On the international scene, as investors speculate on possible spending cuts by the American Central Bank, the Federal Reserve, U.S. stock prices rose, sending the Standard & Poor's 500 index to a fresh record. The S&P climbed 20 basis points to 1,808, surpassing the previous record set on November 27. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
This program was brought to you by the Grace Kennedy Group. We choose to care.